Today we're exploring our backyard. Yeah, I know, it's gonna be big, right? Oh, it's over there, okay. We're gonna explore our backyard today. What's up, guys? Yeah, we're gonna be exploring our backyard today. I don't know, I might have missed something. We're going to explore the shed too. I tried to do a video at night, but crap, guys, you couldn't even see anything. And jeez, we need a flashlight. And if you guys subscribe and I get some YouTube money, I'll probably buy one. Oh yeah, there's a diesel truck outside our house. My mom's friend is over, but yeah, let's see what we're doing. Hey, pup. So, whoa, yo. Okay. So we're exploring our front yard because I just wanted for a minute. Got a little sled, my favorite shovel, and that. Oh, that's my bike, and that's my brother's back over there. Pup, what are you doing? I'm a baseball bat. Michael, where's the pepperoni pieces? Where's the pepperoni pieces? Well, no, we don't know, pup. Okay, give me some pepperoni pieces. Okay, pup, I will. Okay, I'm giving you one for that. Okay, pup. Let's see. A little campfire. Oh, geez, our garden. You used to like plant crops in here. Yeah, but these are like just like plops. Okay, but still. Sprinklers on. Wait, guys, do you think I can roll my toe? Oh crap! Freak! Did it! Oh crap! See this? So I don't what? Got ourselves a little pond. I do not want to step in it. Oh! I just stepped on something. It's on my foot. Okay, got a little canoe here. No, I might as well paddle in here. Why not, pup? Okay, I'm gonna get in a little canoe. Alright? And we're gonna paddle. Paddling. Yeah, we're doing good. Guys. Let's go to Hawaii in this thing. That's right, Hawaii. I don't know. Remember that time I was at church when I said polar bears, like about salmon, fish. Something that came to my mind. Yeah, but okay, we got my old bike. Don't scream too hard. If you've seen the Jokester's gigantic cool, you probably know what this crap is over. Oh, yeah. Because I'm not doing it with feet again. That's how I roll. Okay, but still. So Jokester's kind of cool. Got a hole right there. It's a trail mark. A baseball. Oh, is that a baseball? Oh, this ground is soft. Oh, this is soft. Okay, I'm gonna chuck the baseball. Okay, I'm gonna hold this with the left hand. Okay, ready, guys? If you want me to chuck it, I will chuck it over at that trailer. Oh, come on, I was close. Okay, but let's continue. So, oh wait, look, guys. Okay, what if I do a sleeping challenge out here, and like I could live a 24-hour one out here, and this is my little place. I mean, this is like safe. We can wake up at 3. We can set an alarm for 3 a.m. What do you think? And then once that happens, once you wake up at 3 a.m., we're gonna do the video, and we're gonna be like, "What's up?" But crap, right? Oh crap. Okay, we've explored most of my backyard. Oh wait, those are good pliers. Look, throws that crap away. Oh, do you guys like? Oh, look at my little fort. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But here we go with the pliers. Wait, I'm gonna try something. Let's try this. See if I'm strong enough. I do it? Oh, I did. Okay, let's try it. Let's see this one. Oh yeah, it's easy. I'm not kidding. Yeah, I'm stronger than like mostly all the kids. But except there's some 5th graders that's stronger than me. Oh, but like Mason, me and Cameron would be. So last time me and him arm wrestle, like Lacey came and put her and pushed Cameron's hand down on mine, so he won. But ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. But we don't got no time for that. Okay, so exploring most of our backyard. How we are not going to that trailer. That trailer is like a death sentence. But let's get out. Okay. So wait. We're gonna go to our what do you call it? Shed. Okay. Go to the shed and night with flashlight. If you guys subscribed, you only get one view a week. You guys don't even listen to this YouTube channel. Why should I even post it? Even little people are better than me. Jeez, and I mean, look at me. I mean, David Lopez is 1-1. Just like Juan Cena. He's like, no, it's Super One. EB family. And Dang Matt Smith and Mess Yourself. Those are all my favorite YouTubers. I'll guess. Oh, I found my little kitten. Little kitten. Oh crap, little kitten, how you doing? I'm gonna pull you out. Daddy coming, yeah. Daddy coming.